This is what I'm showing you today, a sweet, old-fashioned treat that has no carbs. This is a loose-bottom tin that I'm going to line with paper. Here are the ingredients. I'm using dark brown sugar, golden syrup, melted butter, and whole rolled oats. Don't use the instant ones. I've poured on the hot butter and then I've added the sugar and I'm starting to stir it in with the golden syrup. I will also add a pinch of salt to the oats, it just improves it. Now comes the mixing. Because I've used very dark brown sugar, there may be a few lumps. If you use soft sugar or more golden syrup, you won't have that problem. Preheat the oven to 180 centigrade, 350 Fahrenheit. And then you can see me here pushing the mixture in and making it about the depth of one finger. But if you don't have the exact right tin, look what I'm doing. I'm putting a bit of foil in there to stop it making a mess. Put it in the oven and cook it for about 15 minutes. And then take it out and see if it's beginning to firm up. With a sharp knife, start to mark it out into rectangles. You're marking it out because it's hard to cut it with a knife when it's fully cooked. So if it's still soft, pop it back in the oven again for another 10 minutes and about the total of 20 to 30 minutes will make it ready. So here are the finished flapjacks. Chewy, sticky, and really amazingly lovely to eat. If you happen to have some crumbs left over, serve them in a bowl with some stewed apple or other fruit.